body fair and true, mirror and flower of women and of love's own art, makes me to sing and strips from me all grief and smart. For her noble self, whence all my desires accrue, has sweetly conquered me, bound me, and made me prize. And if pity or mercy come not to my aid's outcry, I know no castle where I might find refuge from her. I dare not pray, nor can I from her love prefer. It is with me as with the mercenaries rich, who long go seeking for a noble lord and true, until they find one who aids them and rewards them too, and is a loyal lord and just in every pitch. Just so have I searched for 30 months apace, and never found a lady who so much did please as you do, whom I call fair desire, my only bliss, of whom I can speak all good with no lies trace. Beautiful lady, humble, truthful without art, frank and loyal with no heart of treachery, I make my plea to you, whom I love and worship free, and am your liege man, your servant in my heart. To you I give myself, for you are the finest thing, and the best that ever from any mother's womb did spring. And since I cannot from loving you refrain or part, for mercy I pray you, do not let me perish here. Charges first in the tourney's roar, and defeats the best, so that at the breaking of the lists he bears away the worth and the honor that persists. So have you won the worth of all pleasing arts and more, and since you have conquered me a noble worth beside, I ask not of you, save only this in pride, that I may love and honor and serve you without peer, and make your worth to grow and to advance and rear. Not overbold in my request, good lady, by your noble rank and state, you must take heed, for you shall have more honor great, if you grant me joy than if I was so lightly blessed, as to demand of you that which is not of me, but yet know well that I do not say or see, that you would not know how to make all pleasures dear, and hide and praise and taste them without fear. Fair desires to love I render thanks and praise, for she has set my pure heart in you all my